Welcome back, everybody, to another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Ozark Trail 7-inch pocket knife model 6707. Now, I was made aware of this knife on several other YouTube channels, actually. I'm subscribed to a lot of knife channels because I collect knives. I like knives, if you haven't figured that out already, with how many knife reviews I got on my channel. This one is new for 2022, and they just now got them out in my local Walmart. So if you go to your local Walmart, you're going to look for a display, and these are $5.94. You might as well say $6. Now, being $6, these are basically disposable knives, if you want to be honest, because if you lose it, it's a sub $10 knife, you know, not a big deal. But let's take a look at it, and I'll explain why I was kind of interested in this knife. Give you a look at the packaging and everything. And there's the model number, 6707. And there is the UPC. Okay. Let's get it out of the package and take a closer look at the knife itself. Alright, I should be able to get it out now. Oh yeah. Alright, and it is an access lock. Oh yeah, that's a good positive lockup. Although, shouldn't that go a little bit more forward? I don't know, I guess not. You can see where it is on there. It's on there. Let's see, it pulls back. Feels a bit gritty, but it does lock up. Let me see here. Yeah, I gotta oil that. Let me grab my oil and oil that real quick. Got a little bit of oil in there. Let's work it back and forth. This action feels like really gritty. So it's still gritty. It's a little smoother than it was. There we go. That's a little bit better. Yeah, I suppose that'll work. See if it's got an edge. Okay, there's an edge there, but it's real uneven feeling, you know. And these are just basic plastic scales, nothing fancy. Little pocket clip. You know, it is what it is. It's a really cheap knife. Got a little lanyard hole there through the two inner liners. I just wanted it because, like I said, I collect knives and it looked like a neat little cheap knife. Okay, let's get the scale in here and let's see how much this little guy weighs. Alright, we're set to kilograms first. 93 grams, not too bad. 3 1/4 ounces. You know, that'll work. Let me grab my ruler here. Let's check that blade length. Blade length is just under 3 inches. Yeah. I mean, the tip just barely comes to the 3-inch mark. Metric, let's see here. Looks to be just 76 millimeters. Yeah, 76 exactly. All right. So not too bad, not too bad. Let's get some phone book paper. There is an edge there, but will it cut? I don't know. Yeah, I'm skeptical. Oh, okay. It's a little rough. It's kind of ripping instead of cutting. Yeah, that edge needs a little bit of work. Jeans here, we're going to see what this little knife looks like when it's clipped up. There we go. So it rides nice and deep, very little of it showing. I think that'll work. Yeah. Alright. So, in closing, it is a cheap knife. It doesn't come particularly sharp. It's going to need sharpening. But if you're looking for a cheap stocking stuffer for somebody for the holidays, I would say grab one if you're in Walmart. There are those center floor displays over near the sporting goods area. That's where I found mine. And for $6, heck, you can't beat it. It ain't bad for $6. And that's all I got to say about this little Walmart knife. Get it, don't get it, it's up to you. But I just want you to have a great holiday. I'll see y'all later. Thank you for watching.